If you want to remove AnyDesk completely from your Windows PC, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. We're not just uninstalling the app, we're also removing leftover files so AnyDesk is fully cleaned out of your system. This is helpful if you no longer use it, want to free up space, or just want a fresh start on your computer. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, click the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel from the search results. Once Control Panel is open, click on Programs, then select Uninstall a program. This will take you to the list of installed applications on your computer. Give it a moment to load, because depending on how many programs you have, it may take a few seconds. Now scroll through the list until you find AnyDesk. When you see it, click on it once to highlight it. After that, click Uninstall at the top of the window. If Windows asks for confirmation or if AnyDesk shows an uninstall prompt, go ahead and confirm it. Just follow any on-screen instructions and wait for the uninstall process to finish. Once that part is done, the main application should be removed from your PC. But to remove AnyDesk completely, we still need to delete leftover files. Next, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the box, type %AppData% and press Enter. This will open the AppData folder for your user account. Look for a folder named AnyDesk. If you find it, right-click the folder and select Delete. This removes leftover user settings and cache files. Now we'll do the same thing for system-wide files. Press Windows plus R again, type %ProgramData folder, and press Enter. This opens the ProgramData folder. Find the AnyDesk folder here as well, right-click it, and select Delete. This step helps remove shared program data that may still be stored on the system. After that, take one final look and make sure there are no remaining AnyDesk folders left behind. If anything is still there, delete it as well. Finally, restart your computer. Be sure to save any open work before you do this. Restarting helps Windows clear out any active processes and make sure the removal is fully completed. And that's it. AnyDesk should now be completely removed from your Windows computer. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover another app next.